Got the truck in the shop today. Muffler's got a good hole in the bottom of it, and I'm gonna be welding this onto it today. So let's get to it. All right, down here with the truck, as you can see, it's a pretty good size hole in the bottom of the muffler. There's also one on the side. I'm just gonna cut it right here and then go ahead and hang the other one. So yeah. Nice. Muffler's cut out. As you can see, better look at it. Just rusted out. Gonna cut these hangers off, weld them on the new exhaust.
You gotta push like a quarter as hard, dude. You went to the, you were just like, felt like I was in an 80s shaking, like shake weight commercial.
Muffler's out, all cut. There we go. The plan is to take this pipe extender, pipe stretch, whatever you want to call it, and stretch the hole just a small amount. Perfect slip fit. Alright, we got the muffler off. We just want to crank it up. And we want to see how that 22RE sounds with no muffler. It probably sounds crazy. It's still pretty quiet.
Yeah. Man, it sounds like low. I didn't think it was gonna sound that low. It definitely sounds like a straight pipe four banger.
Alright, it's been a minute. Got everything welded up. I don't claim to be a welder, but if she don't leak, we're gonna put a smoke tester on her, make sure she don't leak. It's better than paying someone else to do it. These mounts were a bitch. But just got done with that. Yeah, she's ugly, but as long as she don't leak, right?
That's all that matters.
Put the smoke machine up to it. We got a leak. Where was it at? Right here?
Right there.
Right here. So I'm gonna just run a new bead over the top of that. Dots break.
Dots break. So good.
All right, she's finally leak free. Like I said, I don't claim to be a welder. I ain't picked up a welder since damn high school, so hey, as long as she's not leaking and solid, whatever. Alright, she's all bolted up. Not pretty. But oh well. All stops good. Yep. Heck yeah. Looks like dog shit. Alright, this is the last piece to the puzzle. A Walker exhaust flange gasket. It'll go right here. You can see where the exhaust has been coming out right there, so we're gonna get this put on. All right, that exhaust flange gasket is on. We're gonna crank it up, see if we got any exhaust fumes coming out right here. sum everything up, as you can tell, I pretty much butchered the welding on that muffler. But hey, hopefully it'll last me a few years where I can get better at welding or pay somebody to weld it. I called the muffler shop around town. They quoted me at like 150, 200 just for labor, not parts. So figured I'd take it over to my buddy's house who's got a little $60 welder, and we went to town. Hey, we had a good time doing it and learned a few things along the way. So yeah.